Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita Luxury. On today, I am going to go over my updated wish list for 2023. I am going to speak on some handbags that I have actually been watching and looking to purchase. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
The first thing is, of course, the handbag of the day. Handbag of the day goes to my beautiful LV Miss Classy Sassy Passy. You guys know how I feel about this beauty. She's been in my collection now, I would say about 3 years. I think this came out in 2020 if I'm not mistaken, or 2021. I don't remember. I'm just happy and blessed to have her in my collection. She was looking at me this morning and said, "Mommy, get me out of this closet." And that's exactly what I did. So handbag of the day goes to the beautiful LV Passy handbag. If you have this handbag in your collection and you love it just as much as I do, please comment below, because sometimes I feel like I'm by myself. Too many people complain about the strap and I don't like that. I love my Passy, okay? So this is the handbag of the day. I was so blessed, like I said, just to have this in my collection, and I enjoyed carrying her today. So let's speak on the handbags that I am looking to purchase for this year. The first one being, I told you guys about it. It is the beautiful Damier Ebene Speedy 20 bandolier. Is coming, of course, with the guitar strap. I am already looking to take this guitar strap off, put it in my closet, convert it into a belt, and put my Speedy 25 Damier Ebene strap on this handbag, and I am so ready to rock it, guys. So this is honestly the first handbag. A lot of you guys said that you're not going to purchase because you have the Speedy 25 Damier Ebene in your collection, which is understandable. But I'm telling you now, the trifecta is coming. We already have the monogram. Now it's the Damier Ebene and the Damier Azur. I'm telling you, in 2024 is going to quickly follow. I'm not trying to pressure you to purchase, but I'm just telling you, this bag is going to sell out, but I also think it's going to be a permanent piece as well. So I just can't see myself walking away from a Speedy 20 with the extended zipper and it's carefree. You cannot beat that. So this is the first handbag I'm honestly, I want in my collection, and I think about this every day. I'm just waiting on the reverse monogram Speedy 20 because I'm going to speak it. I know it's coming. I know it's coming, guys. So this is the first handbag. The second handbag I am so happy about. I've been telling you guys, I want an orange handbag. You guys remember I went for the Telfar handbag. That was a big no-no. So this is the handbag that I'm actually looking at. I don't have a clear picture yet, but once I receive a clear picture, I am hoping and praying it is the orange that I am looking for. It's in epi leather. I am super excited about that, but this handbag here is number 2 coming in on my wish list for 2023. Honestly, guys, I want this more than I want the Speedy 20 Damier Ebene, because I know that handbag is going to be around. The Speedy 20 and Damier Ebene, I know it's going to be around. But this baby here, this orange in epi leather, the Alma BB, I am so excited about. So right there, guys, that's 2 guitar straps. 2 additional guitar straps I am going to be adding to my collection. and I don't know how to feel about this. I'm getting very, very upset, but there's nothing we can do about it. So this is going to be another guitar strap that I honestly have to convert into a belt or just try to match it on whatever handbag I have in my collection. Number 3 handbag. I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, why? The LV Twinny handbag in reverse monogram. Yes, I am super excited about this as well. It's on my wish list, but I'm still 50-50 on this handbag. I do have the dimensions. A follower on my Facebook page, she was nice enough to drop the dimensions. Her CA provided all that information to her and she shared on my page. So these are the dimensions here. And she also provided a price, $3,050. You know what? I don't know what to say. But I do love the handbag. I love reverse monogram. I love reverse monogram with black leather, and I love the chain and leather strap. I love that both straps are detachable, so I most definitely can add my reverse monogram strap on or just my regular monogram strap on here. I see potential. I always love S-locks on handbags. I love the open enclosure, and it also seems like it has a zipper as well. I'm not certain if they're just going to have that S-lock over like that without a zipper. I don't know, guys. I'm impatient. I want to see this handbag. It looks like it'll hold both of my phones. So that's a plus. A mini pochette. And honestly, guys, a wallet, a card holder, those are all my daily essential needs. I can have my notebook in my hand or leave it in my car, but I'm going to try to see if my notebook can fit in. But it looks like it's a nice size. So I am happy about this as well. Again, I'm still 50-50 only because I have, of course, the Pochette Matisse in reverse monogram in my collection. The next handbag, you guys are going to be shocked. Yes, I have been looking at this for a while. This is the beautiful Pauline handbag, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it correctly, guys. I am new to all of these other luxury handbag brands, but I have been looking at this, I would say about 6 or 7 months now, and it is so gorgeous to me. And when I look at this handbag, to me it's different. It screams upscale. It screams classy. And that's me. I just described myself. That's me. And so the handbag, like I said, is very, very unique. It's very different. And if you do have a Pauline in your collection, please let me know. Please share any quality issues. How long have you had it? What fits in? But I don't know. I can't stop thinking about this handbag. And the price is amazing, guys. Where have I been? Probably just stuck on LV, but the price is amazing. The quality looks great. The structure of the handbag, everything just screams Marquita. And so when it screams that, I need to go after the handbag, okay? And the next, I know you guys are going to laugh at me, and some of you guys are pronouncing it wrong too. So don't even come for me. Some of you guys are pronouncing it wrong too. It's Loewe, Loewe, Loewe. Loewe. Okay, Loewe. Whatever. So, yes, I went on their page. I believe it was like a month ago, and I saw a picture, and it just freaked me out. And I was like, oh my God, no. Because that little Balenciaga issue, I was like, what are these brands really hiding? So now I look at every luxury brand different. Even, you know, LV. I just really don't want to hear anything negative. I really don't. And so I saw a picture that kind of freaked me out. And you know what, guys? I really didn't even give it a chance. Like I told you, the issue with Balenciaga just was it for me. But I've been looking at this handbag, the puzzle handbag. Yes, guys. And it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. So if you have a Loewe handbag in your collection, let me know. Help me out. please help me out. I love LV. You guys know I love Louis Vuitton, but I want to step out. I want to step out. I know it's other luxury brands out there that have good quality, great prices, and like, I just want something different. I told you guys I am looking for color handbags, and so I'm looking at this. So you guys let me know. And if you know of any other, you know, luxury brands that I should try, you know, some of you guys told me about Celine, some of you guys told me about Chloe handbags. If you have these handbags in your collection, let me know. I am going to let you guys know this. I am not a fan of the MCM handbags. I'm not a fan of Michael Kors handbags. Marc Jacobs, I tried. I think the bucket handbag kind of threw me off, you know, with the quality issue that I experienced. But I'm not going to just scratch Marc Jacobs off the list. But Michael Kors, MCM, I'm not a fan of. I think it's just those two bags. You know, some of you guys asked me, oh, and Coach. Only because I wore Coach out in my 20s, okay? I'm kind of just over that phase now. So those three luxury brands, I don't think that I will actually purchase and add to my collection. So far, the Speedy 20 and Damier Ebene, guys. Also, the beautiful orange Epi Leather Alma BB from Louis Vuitton. The Loewe bag, the puzzle bag, and also the Pauline handbag. And last, guys, I want to speak on this. It is honestly at the top of my wish list, and that is the beautiful, you guys already know, the Trendy CC. The only thing about the Trendy CC that's stopping me is the color black and gold. That's it. I have 15 black and gold handbags in my collection. Guys, tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay. And if it's not okay, what color should I go for? I do want pop color. I do want the black and gold. But I told you guys, 15 black and gold handbags in my collection. This video is really a cry for help. Like, I'm coming to you guys. I give you guys reviews. Help me out. Honestly, my birthday is around the corner. My husband is basically handing me his car. But I'm going to purchase smart. But let me know. So, we have the Speedy 20 in the Damier Ebene. We have the Polene handbag. We have the Loewe handbag that I want to purchase. Guys, I'm excited. I'm getting excited. LV Twinny handbag. A lot of you guys are like, no. No, I don't know why, but let me know about that. Why are you not interested in the handbag? And also, the Trendy CC. Should I try another color? And shout out, I love when she tags me. This is who actually, made me fall in love with the Trendy CC. I am going to post her page here. You guys have to follow her. I love her page. You guys know I'm very picky about who I follow. And I just love her whole entire setup when she posts her Chanel, Trendy CC. Everything is so beautiful. She even got me interested in, purchasing a matching card holder. So, again, guys, let me know, how is my wish list going? Throw some other handbags out there. I don't know. If you have any Chloe handbags, guys, my DMs are open. Share with me. We are a family. You guys are my besties. What else should I purchase? I haven't purchased a handbag since October. My last purchase, guys, was the monogram side trunk. I am due for a nice handbag. So, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Help your girl out. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.